Subscribe to my channel not to miss interesting episodes. The best mothers of the animal world. Elephants. In last place is the mother who gives birth to the largest cubs. The weight of these babies is on average 100 kilograms. Elephants deserve the award only for the fact that they manage to endure a pregnancy that lasts 22 months. An elephant cub is blind at birth, and at first it can feel the world around it only with the help of its trunk. Elephants are fortunate to exist in a matriarchal society in which females are the head of the group. All the females of the herd help the newborn baby. Aunts, sisters, and grandmothers are directly involved in its upbringing. This large number of nannies ensures that the baby elephants have a peaceful life in the wild. Koalas. Koalas feed on eucalyptus leaves, which are poisonous, but their digestive system is designed to withstand such dangerous food. This is because the koala's intestines are enveloped in special bacteria that can neutralize toxins. But baby koalas have no such abilities. In order for the babies to develop the necessary microflora in their intestines, their mothers feed them their own feces. The baby stays in the koala's pouch for 6 months, where it feeds on milk. While the baby is in the pouch, the mother wastes no time and sleeps it off. She sleeps about 22 hours a day, which means she spends about 90% of her life sleeping. Alligators. Alligators become sexually mature at about 3 years of age. The female lays her eggs in a pile of leaves, which are essentially mulch. The leaves produce heat as they decompose, and the female frees herself from incubating the eggs. The incubation period lasts 2 months. The temperature of the compost is quite high. When the temperature is high, males emerge, and when the temperature is low, females emerge. When the cubs emerge, the mother takes them in her jaws and guards them. During their first year in the water, the mother looks after the young alligators. After a year, they are able to take care of themselves on their own. Polar bears. A pregnant female has to constantly get food for herself because she has to double her weight. If she doesn't, the fetus will be consumed by her own body. During pregnancy and delivery, the polar bear digs a den in the snow and hibernates. During this time, she does not feed and may even sleep through the birth of her cubs. Newborn cubs have no teeth and their eyes are closed. The mother reverently cares for them for 2 years until they reach puberty. Cheetah. The female cheetah gives birth most often to 4 to 6 cubs. Cheetah cubs do not have an innate survival instinct, so the mother must teach them to behave properly in the wild. She teaches them to hide from danger and hunt prey. Once the mother has taught the babies everything, she leaves them and gets pregnant again. The males stay together all their lives, while the females leave their brothers after 6 months and lead a solitary life. Orangutans. The female orangutan is a highly intelligent animal. Her main task is motherhood. Every day she builds a new nest in a tree, which takes her about 5 minutes. She makes the nest from twigs and leaves. The female orangutan does not let go of her cub until it is 6 to 7 years old. This is the longest period of care for a cub among animals. The Sulawesian kaleo. This rare name is given to birds from the island of Sulawesi. They make their nests in the hollows of trees. The eggs of these birds are hunted by varanas. In order not to ruin the clutch, the mother reduces the entrance to the nest. She does this with her own feces. In this case, the female does not leave the egg for 2 incubation months, remaining walled up inside. She's forced to starve. These are the sacrifices she is willing to make for motherhood. Sea elephant. Female elephant seals are extremely responsible mothers. A sea elephant weighs 770 kilograms, while males weigh about 4 times that. A pregnant female must gain a lot of extra weight. The gestation period for a sea elephant is 11 months. But after the baby is born, she loses about 270 kilograms after a month of nursing the cub. Octopus. Female octopus are mother heroines. They incubate more than 50,000 eggs. The eggs develop for 40 days. All this time, the mother octopus does not leave her precious eggs for even a second. She keeps predators from approaching the clutch and enriches it with oxygen by creating a flow of water through a so-called siphon. While the female is taking care of the eggs, she has no time to eat, so she starves until the babies hatch. Sadly, such zeal often results in the death of the female. Giant Isopoda. At the top of the list of the most caring mothers of the animal world was the giant isopod. The males of these animals are very insidious. They lure the females into their burrows to mate. An unpleasant surprise awaits the fertilized female. The male gathers a harem of 25 more fertilized females. But the worst part comes afterwards. When the babies are ready to hatch, they eat the mother from the inside to get out. The birth of the self-sacrificing mother becomes the first and the last. She is ready to die for the sake of the continuation of her species. If you like the video, you have to like, subscribe to the bell.